78% of Americans own stocks, but only 8% believe they'll ever hit 7 figures. Something's broken, and it's not your salary, it's the foundation. Trying to invest without the right habits is like building a skyscraper on sand. While everyone else chases the next moonshot, millionaires run a quieter playbook. 5 tiny habits they lock in before money ever hits the market. Copy these, and every dollar you invest finally starts working overtime. I've spent 6 years interviewing millionaires, scanning their statements, and straight up borrowing their routines. The headline? Habits beat headlines. Here are the 5 millionaire habits to master before you invest another dollar. Welcome to Elite Growth Maps, your ultimate blueprint to mastering wealth, finance, and self-development. Habit number 1. Pick one lane and stay stubborn in it. Millionaires don't island hop, they dig one deep well. Your career works the same way. You can dig 100 shallow holes and stay thirsty. Or dig one well until you strike water. The self-made millionaires I tracked averaged 17 years in the same field, stacking one layer of career capital on top of another. Action step: write your lane, your job title, freelance niche, or service. On a sticky note. Date it 2 birthdays out, no shiny objects until then. Habit number 2, automate before you celebrate. Willpower is a fair-weather friend. Automation is the sprinkler system for your financial garden. Set it once, and it waters your money every week without you hauling the hose. Millionaires whisk away about 29% of every paycheck automatically, before they even grab their first coffee. 401k, IRA, brokerage, high-yield savings, it's all pre-routed. Hack: create a calendar event called Money Monday. Every week, goes 15% of your income into an account you can't just finger tap away by brunch. Habit number 3, schedule rejection. Here's a weird flex. They literally pencil in failure. One millionaire buddy cold calls landlords every 30 days offering 20% under ask. He takes the bruises because he knows that for every 20 no's, 1 yes is waiting. That's how he landed 3 rentals spinning $1,100 a door. And it's not just real estate. Doesn't matter if it's clients, jobs, or landlords, schedule your rejections so failure becomes a system, not a setback. Quick break. If the first 3 habits feel doable, grab the free 1-page money map linked below. It's the template my guests use to slot every dollar before the month begins. 6-minute setup, average user saves $712 in the first month. Habit number 4, learn, earn, repeat. Millionaires block 1 hour a day for next skill money. Think of your skills like a Swiss Army knife. Each new one is another blade. More tools equal sign more problems solved equal sign more money earned. Not cat videos. Excel, YouTube editing, AI prompting, then flip the skill on Upwork or offer it to your boss. Mantra: 1 skill, 1 buyer, 1 upsell, every quarter. String that together, and you can tack on $1,000 a month inside a year, no promotion required. Habit number 5, hide the raise lifestyle. Creep is the silent hitman. It's like letting your belt out 1 notch at a time. You don't notice until you can't go back. Studies show almost half of workers upgrade cars, apartments, or vacations within 3 months of a raise. Millionaires wait 6. Hack: freeze your top 3 expenses, rent, groceries, car note, for half a year. Funnel the bump into a savings account at a different bank. Out of sight, out of spend. Lock the lane, automate the cash, calendar rejection, upskill daily, and ghost every raise. Run these 5 for 12 months and your invested dollars finally catch a tailwind, not a tornado. Which habit makes you sweat? Drop the number in the comments, I reply to everyone. Grab the free money map below, it's waiting. And smash like so the algorithm nudges this towards someone else stuck on the hamster wheel. Subscribe so you never miss out content. Let's meet on the next video that pops up on the screen, and let's keep building elite freedom building habits together. See you there.